This is crazy. I am currently packing for New York. Yes, I left my laundry until the night of. And the sun is coming out for me. Such a beautiful way to start the day.
Disfrute del viaje. Cuando llegue a su destino, asegúrese de haber recogido todos sus artículos personales.
And they're mad comfortable. I love like the little like detailing. Is this a tassel? Cute. This is so cute, guys. Look at the detailing. It's been 90 degrees for 2. Sit, please. Good girl. Good girl. Lit. They're lit. They're lit. They're lit. Hey, not too far, guys. Hello? Aww.
I was staring at her for 5 minutes. Literally. On your top. Watch how you speak on my name, you know?
You see these barriers? These
Okay.
Oh, she's a street cat.
Yeah, but we feed her and stuff and we play her and we feed her.
definitely not a date. And Mr. Wallace, we got into this thing with the best intentions, really. I never... Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?
Guys, I asked for the sun to come out and it's starting to come out the sky.